Welcome to the Scran Line Everyday. I'm your host Nick McCreadys, and today I have a quick one for you guys. I'm going to show you how to make my incredibly easy homemade tartar sauce, which is the perfect example of homemade is better. I mean, store-bought tartar sauce tastes nothing like homemade, which just tastes so much more alive. It's full of easy to find ingredients, includes a little bit of chopping and mixing, and then it's ready to serve in minutes, literally. And it's a perfect complement to my oven-baked fish fingers. The recipe for this and the fish fingers is on my website, thescranline.com. We're going to begin by chopping up some sweet pickles. If you don't like sweet pickles, you can just use the regular kinds, but I like the added sweetness in this sauce. Now, how finely you chop these up or how little you chop them will dictate how chunky your sauce is. Personally, I'm a fan of the chunky sauce, so if you like that, don't chop them up too much. Otherwise, if you want itty bitty tiny little pieces of pickles in your sauce, then just chop them up finely. You could even use a food processor to make this recipe. One of the other ingredients you're going to be chopping up is some fresh dill, half of a white onion, finely chopped. You're going to add some egg mayonnaise or even vegan mayonnaise will work for this recipe to a medium-sized mixing bowl along with some fresh lemon juice. Add those onions, add some pepper, add a little bit of sugar, the dill, and of course the pickles, and then just mix it all up. Guys, literally 10 minutes before your fish fingers are done in the oven. Whip this up, it's so easy and it just elevates those oven-baked fish fingers. Again, a recipe for both of those can be found on thescranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got other sauce ideas you'd like to see me make on the Scran Line, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be joining you guys down there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line Every Day.